الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله.
Assalamu alaikum. This is a construction update. We have, mashallah, started excavation of the project and we are well underway with dirt work. Excavation and backfilling is about 50% done to date, and next 50% will be done in another week. And our next process will be to have underground utilities work started, and also at the same time we're going to schedule pier drilling. And mashallah, once we achieve that, and we will be moving forwards to get the slab on grade done, and inshallah right after that will be tilt wall panel, and we'll be well underway on the structural steel. So we're in the process of getting the submittals approved, working with the designers, trying to make sure everything works with electrical, mechanical, and architectural coordination to make sure that everything fits together. So mashallah, we're all underway and hoping to get this about minimum 14 weeks schedule all the way to get phase 1C done, and that's right around the corner. So we need to start thinking about next phase after that. Mashallah, everything going good.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, the community of the Epic Masjid, an epic community, mashallah, tabaraka wa ta'ala. I heard the good news about your fundraising, that mashallah you have collected such an amazing amount. We're very proud of you in the Dallas Metroplex, alhamdulillah, and that was really fulfilling for our, mashallah, our hope that you guys, you will make it happen, inshallah, tabaraka wa ta'ala. Now that we have collected, or at least that's why we have pledged that much money, now it's time for you guys to fulfill your pledges. I hope, inshallah, you can make this happen very quickly, inshallah ta'ala, so we can come back again to your masjid. And I'm speaking right now from the masjid itself. I hope, inshallah ta'ala, when I come back, the whole, inshallah ta'ala, beautiful masjid will be built, and we all share the beauty of our Muslim community. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم. يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم. يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا